Good morning, traders. This is the Stock Sumo over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and today is Wednesday, January 14th, and back by popular demand, we're doing an update on DKTS, that's Top Shelf Brand Holdings Inc. We had quite a positive response from the first video chart that we put out earlier this week. In case you didn't check that out, definitely go look at it. We did a little annotation in that chart. I'm going to leave that part alone today. You can just go look at the previous video chart to get an idea on those annotations. I'm just going to keep it short and sweet. Just want to give a quick update on what we've been seeing on this chart. The support has been holding at 0015, which is a good sign. Support has been holding here at 0015. It hasn't wanted to dip below that price. And notice that we've been, for the most part, holding above the 50-day moving average. It did see that high Friday of 0021, which is a key resistance level, as well as 002. Notice if you go back here, 0021 and 002 has been acting as resistance. And if we can get above that area, the next resistance isn't going to come until 0028. One of the things that I didn't include on the last video chart was the accumulation and distribution. This line right down here. Notice the accumulation and distribution has steadily ramped up and it continues to climb. We've had some good volume recently, some momentum. There's been accumulation in the stock. It seems to be holding nicely here with support at 1.5. We'd like to see this break the resistance at 2 and 2.1 in order for us to see our next leg up. We got an RSI that is holding above the 50 line. That's good. Anything above 50 is always positive, so we'd like to see the RSI continue to maintain support above that 50 line. This DKTS has been churning here, trading in between 1.5 and 002 for the past 2 sessions. We just want to see the support hold here at 1.5, and if we can hang above the 50-day moving average, that's going to set us up for a continuation to some upside. So higher highs and higher lows. I mentioned that in the previous video chart. We've been maintaining those higher lows at 1.5. Notice the previous swing low here at the end of the year was 0012 and 0013. So we're building a higher base here. Not many trades going off at the 1.5 to 1.6 level. So we definitely want to keep this DKTS Top Shelf Brands on our radar. They had some more news out yesterday. Go check that out for updates on DKTS. Be sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. And while you're visiting our site, it's always a good idea to click on our disclaimer for disclosure. Thanks for tuning in and good luck out there, traders.